Today's crop report now, looking at the fundamentals in light of that money flow. USDA pegged Argentina's corn crop at 36 million metric tons. That's just a little bit under where the trade was expecting, a little bit under what we were expecting. We were at 37. Trade was about 36.6. Soybeans, though, coming in at 47 million metric tons. The trade was looking for 48.36. USDA was at 54 last month, so that's a significant adjustment. We're at 46 million metric tons, so we still see some downside there. And maybe on the corn as well, we're following the early harvest results carefully there, and we may, I'd say there's more downside risk than upside at this point, but right now we're still sticking with the 37. Now, as we go over to Brazil, they lowered their corn production estimate from 95 million metric tons last month to 94.5. The trade was a little bit more aggressive at 92.2. Our team in Brazil, which has a pretty good track record, is at 86.2. And in fact, most of the private estimates are coming down toward our estimate. Even CONAB, which is Brazil's equivalent of USDA, is very close to our estimate. I think they're at about 87 million metric tons. So it's very early in the safrinha corn growing season. So a lot could happen either direction, depending on how things play out. Our bias is still, though, that there is more downside risk to this production estimate that USDA has than upside. And so that would tend to be friendly to the market if, in fact, that plays out. We'll have to see. Soybeans, 113 million metric tons, up from 112 million metric tons last month. Our Brazil team's at 112.9, very close to where USDA came out. The trade was looking for a bigger push at closer to 114 million metric tons. So that suggests that maybe Brazil's crop isn't quite as big as the trade expects,